The Randallstown man accused of decapitating his infant son on Christmas Day was put on trial today. Jack Bowden reports the defendant's use of PCP is a key factor in that case.
Stephen Craig Johnson murdered his 14-month-old son, proclaiming the child was Jesus Christ reborn and must die for the sins of others. It happened at his home at 8815 Liberty Road. Today, Johnson sat with his head bowed throughout the testimony describing the tragedy. He had slashed his wife as she tried to stop him. Then she ran out, her shoulder bleeding, and called police. When they got there, they saw Johnson at the front door holding his infant son, but the child was already dead. Today, a detective identified the two butcher knives Johnson had used to repeatedly stab the child and to sever his head. Johnson was a regular user of PCP, and a psychiatrist, Dr. Neil Blumberg, testified that Johnson acted under the influence of PCP in a way that would have been classified as criminally insane if it had not been for the drug. And Johnson may have been affected by PCP he had taken days before, a delayed reaction, which the psychiatrist said is not uncommon. Did he know he was killing his baby, the prosecutor asked. He had an awareness that he was, the psychiatrist said, but under the delusion that his son had to die for the sins of mankind. But Johnson had told someone on the phone that night, "I've done something wrong, I need help." And he told police, "I killed the baby." And that, the prosecutor argued, makes this a case of first-degree murder. But Johnson's attorney noted the testimony of Johnson's wife, that he had been a loving father until that day, when PCP made him do the unthinkable, because PCP, he said, had left him unable to think rationally. The defense attorney said, "This is a pitiful case, Your Honor, the kind of case no one likes. But," he said, "the law is the law, Your Honor," arguing that this is a case of second-degree murder, not first-degree. The judge will issue his verdicts tomorrow morning. I'm Jack Bowden, News Scene 2, Towson.